Living in this world today is not easy to say that everything was work in simple. All people work today by using technology, as we had observed that there are many people in everywhere work for their job by the help of gadgets, such as mobile phone, laptop, tablet, and others. Now, I want to discuss the benefits or the contribution of non-digital and digital skills and tools in delivering technology enhanced lesson. In this day, education are needed the non-digital and digital to help the teachers and students communicate each other for the lessons and activities at school. Based on the research that written by F. Young and Aguirre on 2015 that the teachers need instructional materials to enhance teaching and learning. Instructional materials are defined as print and non-print items that are rested to impact information to students into educational process. The studying of students was needed and instructional materials, even the teachers to have a good work for activities that the students should answer it. Instructional material is very useful because it is the supplementary materials which help the teachers to make a presentation creativity, concrete, effective, interesting, and also meaningful. Of course, it also useful for students to make their assigned activities effective. However, this pandemic COVID-19, we know that the instructional material was not invariably useful because most of the students and teachers do the tasks and activities through digital like using cell phone, laptop, etc. The example of instructional materials are drawing, textbooks, kits, posters, magazines, flip chart, newspaper, diorama, pictures, recording videos, and the like. In our situation today, the most useful is the digital skills and tools for the teachers and students to make the activities easy and faster. For the primary schooler, the students may hard to learn on how to read any language, especially the English language, because there's no face-to-face studying, and now the parents or guardian hard to find a ways on how their children focus in reading study. That's why the government required that the students allowed to use in online class so that they are able to attend. By the help of the technology like the cell phone or laptop, the primary students can learn to read through online games like crossword, reading any novels and other article according to 1976 or 1976. As cited in Cocker 2006, many media and many styles of visual presentation are useful to the language learner. In a mobile phone, the students are easily to edit their project because all materials that are needed was already there. In this pandemic, through the digital tools, teachers and students are able to attend a class, and there are many websites will be used to help the students can attend, like for example Google Meet, Zoom, and others. There are many differentiation in terms of digital and non-digital. Non-digital and digital skills and tools in delivering technology enhanced lesson serve as guide for every teachers on what to teach and how to teach, but the digital used by gadgets, while the non-digital is an object that used to students for them to make uh, objects like paper, magazines, etc. Digital delivered technology enhanced lesson because they can easily search for what they don't know about the topic. However, it is hard and difficult because the students may use the digital improperly. As we can observe nowadays, that many of the young people or students was addicted in online games. Thus, they cannot focus to make an activities because inside their mind they want to play online games rather than searching unknown words for their assignment, projects, and activities. In an online class, the best to use for the class is a gadget and the non-digital only, used for making projects creatively. It used sometimes, but the phone is always in every class subject. Both of the two have benefits for the students that have determination to do their responsibility as the students. That's why the teachers tells the parents that guide their kids to study every day. Parents also have expectations about teaching and learning, involvement in school, and efforts for educational change according to Kuban 2013 and Fulan 2001. Through the online class, the parents expected that the skills learning of the students was still improving and they got a knowledge of what the teacher teaches for the students in online class. The children can only say to their school studying it's still okay for the online class because it is based on their determination and discipline individually on how to handle their time for the studying. Strong and wise student can only be success nowadays because of many trials. It's hard to make the activities conditionally, but be patient and continue to study until the day that come you will become successful and professional. And that's all. I hope you have got many knowledge and you heard my message, and that's all. Thank you and God bless.